How to fix Google Meet camera failed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and once you're here type Meet and click on it and then click force stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and after that click permissions, and now make sure camera is allowed. If you find it like that, click on it, click allow, and also allow microphone, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.